There have been very, very robust discussion. There were times angry discussions. I even understood a week ago that there was even kicking of chairs and storming out of meeting. Thank God I was not there. But this underscored the difficult process that one had to go through in order to reach where we are today. But I have said before, and I remember most recently in a meeting that we had at the Ministry of Kingdom Relations in Holland, I have said, and I continue to say, that democracy is a birthright. It is a fundamental right. And therefore, I strongly believe that what the people of this country have enjoyed over these past 4.5 years, I think it is a burning shame. But as a believer, I am convinced, as Scripture clearly states, God puts up governments and he takes them down. So irrespective of what is being done in order to delay this process, I am convinced that sooner or later, democracy will be fully restored in this country.